Hello grade 1 students, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Today we will continue chapter 33 in our book, number still 79. We will start on page 137. I will solve an example and then you will continue your work. Let's start on number 8. 50 plus 20 plus 3. We should add this number. The question here is add. So 50 plus 20 plus 3. To add mentally these numbers without making a setup, we should first of all we add the units. Like we start in the setup, we start always by the units. 3 plus 0 plus 0. So, or 0 plus 0 plus 3, it's equal to 3. So we write 3. Now the tens. 5 plus 2. So 50 plus 20. The tens are 5 here. 5 and 2. Here we do not have tens, so it's 0. So we have only 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. So the answer is 73. And you can continue this exercise. Now, number 9. Complete with smaller, greater, or equal. We have, for example, 49 and 69. We should compare these two numbers. Like we said before, to compare, we start by the biggest place value. Here we have tens and units, and 69 contains tens and units. So we start by comparing the biggest placed value, which is the tens. Here we have 4 tens and here we have 6 tens. So 4 and 6, 6 is bigger than 4, so the sign is like this. Now another example. Let's say that we have 78 and 72. Also we have in 78 tens and unit, and in 72 tens and units. We start by comparing the bigger place value, which is the tens. 7 and 7. So 7 tens here and 7 tens here. So the number of tens is equal. Now, for this reason, we go to the units. We can't write directly equal. It's not correct. We should compare also the units. Here we have 8 units and here we have 2 units. Of course, 8 is bigger than 2, so the sign is like this. So always the sign is open to the bigger number. Here the sign is open to 69, which is bigger, and here it is open to 78, which is bigger. Now, number 10. Also complete with smaller, bigger, or equal. 60 plus 4 and 74. Here we have another example which contain plus. So here we have to do addition, then we compare. 60 plus 4. We add first of all, we start by the unit, so we add the units. 4 plus 0, which is equal to 4. 6 plus, here we do not have any number, so it's 0. The tens, so it's like 6 plus 0, which is equal to 7. Which is equal to 6. So 64 and 74. Now we will make the comparison. We start the comparison by the tens. Here we have 6 tens and here we have 7 tens. So we make 7 is bigger than 6. So put the sign like this. So 7 is equal than 6. And you can continue along this exercise. Now number 11. Please pay attention very well to number 11. Observe, then break down the number of each box. What's the meaning of breakdown? Now we should know what we should learn what's the meaning of break down a number. Let's look to this example. We have here 75. When we make breakdown, so we will put the tens alone and the units alone. 75, it contains 7 tens. What's the meaning of 7 tens, which is equal to 70? And 5 units, which is equal to 5. Another example, 69. So 69 contain tens and unit. How many tens? So it is 6 tens, which is equal to 60. And how many units? 9 units. So we write here 9. And you will continue along this exercise. Also here in number 12, we have break down the following numbers. So also break down. When we say break down, which means that we should put the tens alone and the units alone. 58 is equal to 50 plus a number. 50 is from the tens. What we have? So other than the tens, we have the units. So how many units? 8. So we write 50 plus 8. Another example. 61 is equal to how many tens? 6 tens, which is equal to 60. So we write 60 plus the unit, which is 1. And you can continue along all this page. Now, page 138, I will choose to make number 14. This is a problem. The first step to solve a problem is that we should read the problem. Then, next step is to circle the numbers and underline the keywords. On the bookshelves, there are 30 English books, 20 Arabic books, and 15 math books. How many books are there in all? So here we have 30 English books, 20 Arabic books, 15 math books. These are the numbers we circled. What is the keyword in this question now? How many books are there in all? We know that in all means that we should make the addition. To know the number of books in all, we should add them. So 30 plus 20 plus 15. We make the setup and we add them. We start by the unit. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. So the number is 65. There are in all, we write it 30 plus 20 plus 15 is equal to 65. 65 what? We are here counting the number of books. So we write 65 books. And now you can continue all these exercises on page 138 and 139. Thank you for your attention, grade 1 students, and hope you keep safe at home.